Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, have you ever imagined what message would our beloved Imam Hussein would have sent to this generation, the generation who have forgotten the values, the very disciplines of Islam? I think I know what he would have said. It is as follows. He would have said, "Today my heart aches with both sorrow and hope. Sorrow for the path some have chosen, a path that strays from the discipline and beauty of Islam. Yet hope flickers because I see in your eyes the potential for greatness, for a return to the unwavering faith that once defined us. In my time on the plains of Karbala, I witnessed unimaginable cruelty and injustice. But even as my loved one fell around me, my spirit remained unbroken. I refused to bow to tyranny, to compromise my belief for fleeting comfort, for worldly gain. Today I see a different kind of battle raging. It is a battle for your hearts and minds, a battle against forces that seek to erode your faith, your values, your very identity. Some among you have succumbed to this temptation, trading the eternal rewards of the hereafter for the fleeting pleasure of this world. I implore you, my beloved youth, to remember the lesson of our past. Remember the prophets who came before us, men chosen by Allah Himself, yet they faced trials and tribulation. Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, was expelled from paradise for a single set of disobedience. Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, preached for centuries, yet only a handful believed him. Prophet Yunus, peace be upon him, was swallowed by a whale for a moment of despair. Prophet Moses, peace be upon him, he disobeyed Allah for only one thing. Allah asked him to talk to the rock so that the rock would give you water. Instead, in frustration, he hit the rock with stick, and Allah denied him the promised land. He never went to the promised land. If Allah, in His infinite wisdom, could test even His chosen prophets, then how can we expect to escape the trial and tribulation? The sins that we are committing today is beyond grave. My dear brothers and sisters, do not be deceived by the glitter of this world. Do not sell your souls for a few moments of entertainment, a handful of coins, or the fleeting satisfaction of lustful desires. These things will fade away, leaving you empty and alone on the day of judgment. Remember the words of Allah, and whoever desires the hereafter and strives for it with the striving due to its while he is a believer, those are the one whose striving is even accepted by Allah. It is mentioned in Quran chapter 17, verses 19. Choose the path of righteous, the path of Hussein, the path that leads to eternal bliss. Stand firm in your faith, even when the winds of temptation blow forcefully. Hold fast to the Quran and the Sunnah, for they are your compass in this turbulent world. And know that Allah is always with you. Allah is with the one who strives to uphold the values of Islam, who refuses to bow to the idols of this age. May Allah guide us all to the straight path, the path of those upon whom He has bestowed favor, not of those who have evoked His anger, or of those who are astray.